This rule instantly leads to procrastination. Here's why it works. Imagine this. You have a to-do list for today. You look at it and you put it off again and again. Sound familiar? What if I told you that there's a simple rule that can break this vicious cycle in seconds, and it'll only take you 2 minutes to do it? Problem: the procrastination cycle. Let's first understand why we procrastinate in the first place. Your brain presents a problem, a particular big, complex problem. So what does it do? Step 1, it's too hard. Step 2, it'll take too long. Step 3, then better do it later. Step 4, guilt and stress. Step 5, more procrastination. And the circle closes. Look at this. You have a report to write. Your brain immediately presents you with 3 hours of work, research, shaping, and you go watch a YouTube video. Hi, the problem is not lazy. The problem is how your brain perceives tasks. It sees a mountain, it's not the first step. Solution: the 2-minute rule. Now, meet the hero of our story, the 2-minute rule. The rule is simple. If the task will be less than 2 minutes, do it now. But that's only the first level. There's a second, more serious level. The 2-minute rule. Any task can be started in 2 minutes. Write a report. Open a document and write a title. Go to a room. Clear 5 things off the table. Learn a new language. Learn 3 new words. Exercise. Do 10 push-ups. See the magic? You're not trying to eat an elephant. You're taking a small bite out of it. Why it works? Lowering the barrier to entry. 2 minutes isn't scary. Startup effect. It's always harder to get started. Continuation impulses. Often you don't stop at 2 minutes. Scientific review. This isn't just a life hack. It's science. Principle of the Zeigarnik effect. Our brains remember unfinished tasks better. When you start doing something, your brain wants to finish it. The dopamine system. Your little completion gives you a dose of dopamine, the pleasure hormone. This creates a positive feedback loop. A Stanford study found people who start with small steps are 40% more likely to complete big projects. Your brain is wired in such a way that small wins accumulate into big changes. Guys, I have an ambitious goal this year to reach 50,000 subscribers on the channel. If you enjoy my content and want to support me on this journey, hit that subscribe button now. Your support means the world and motivates me to create even better videos. Thank you for being here. Practical realization. Okay, the theory is clear. Now, how does it apply in real life? Step 1, audit task. Look at your to-do list. Divide it into what you can do in 2 minutes right now, what you can start in 2 minutes. Step 2, the 2-2-2 rule: 2 minutes per task. 2 minutes break, 2 minutes next task. Step 3, micro habits technique. Want to read more? Read 1 page a day. Want to exercise? 2 minutes of exercise. Want to meditate? 2 minutes of movement. Let's say you want to start blogging. Day 1, choose a platform, 2 minutes. Day 2, create an account, 2 minutes. Day 3, write the title of your first post, 2 minutes. Day 4, write 1 paragraph, 2 minutes. In 1 week, you already have a foundation. Additional hacks. Not enough advanced techniques for 2-minute rules? Hack number 1, timer slowly. Put the timer at 2 minutes so that it is visible. This creates a playful element. Hack number 2, the after that. Rule: after each 2-minute task, do something enjoyable. Coffee, a favorite song, a short video. Hack number 3, chain of days. Mark on your calendar each day you applied the rule. Don't break the chain. Hack number 4, 2-minute cleaning. Every time you go from room to room, take 2 minutes to clean. The house will always be clean. The 2-minute rule changed my life, and here's why it changes yours. Procrastination is not a character flaw. It's a faulty strategy. When you break mountains down into pebbles, climbing becomes a walk. Challenge for you. Right now, while you're watching this video, think about one task you've been putting off. What can you do in 2 minutes right now? Write in the comments. What 2-minute task are you doing today? Let's support each other. Remember, big changes start with small steps. Small steps only take 2 minutes to accomplish. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of these practical life hacks. See you in the next videos.